Hello, I just made a video on how to convert bin and queue images over to ISO format on Linux using a program called bchunk. Now, if you saw that video, I want you to see how this was dumped exactly. It gives you an ISO output, but it also gives you a bunch of CDRs if you have CD music tracks on the original bin and queue. I looked at the file size for these files. Let me just show you really quick. They're all on average, I want to say 50 to 60 megs each. So I went to the bchunk GitHub page and I'm looking this up. Okay, what on earth is this stuff? The CDR tracks are in the native CD audio format. They can be written or converted to WAV or just discarded. Now, it told me about this program called SoX, which has been around for a really long time. I've never heard about this before, so I checked it out. I even tried sudo apt install SoX, and it's very easy to use for one file. So let me show you. In order to convert one file, I would do like, say, SoX output o2.cdr output o2.wave. This is a very simple conversion, or you can use MP3 or whatever. MP3 takes a little longer because of the compression. So I started thinking, what if I do SoX star.wave space, or no, I'm sorry, SoX star.cdr space star.wave. And I thought maybe I can convert everything in batch like this, only, yeah, it doesn't work like that. Let's try ls-all. So basically you see from the file size, this is every CDR file converted into a WAV, but all put into one file. That's not what I want to do. I just want to batch convert everything over to WAV, and that's it. I went to a bunch of different forums to look this up, and you're going to find these long scripts and multi-line command line sequences that I just feel like are overcomplicated. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked it for one line that I can use on the command line to be able to convert everything in batch, and I'll show you what it gave me. The first thing is, though, this is the line that you want to use when you install SoX. If you don't install this extra lib, it won't have any MP3 support. So down here, basically this last extension is what you're going to convert to. These first two extensions are what you're going to convert from. So say I wanted to convert from CDR to WAV. I'm going to change this to WAV. I'm going to change that to CDR, and I'm going to change this to CDR. Now I'm going to highlight this entire line, and I'm going to copy that onto the command line. There you go. It's that simple. And I'm going to copy and paste all of this stuff and put this in the video description for you so you guys don't have to go out and search for this. This makes it so much easier to convert from one format to another with SoX. I want to mention that I did consider using a graphical user interface, and I found this cool looking program on the software manager, but when I went to install it, I just want to show you what I got. I looked at this amount of libs and I was like, wow, I really don't feel like installing all these just to get a front end for this program. This program is very lightweight and did not need a lot of libs on its own. That's all I got for you right now. Thank you for watching this video on Sound Exchange, otherwise known as SoX, the Swiss Army knife of sound processing. This is really cool. I'm going to enjoy using this because it's easier than using programs that have to load each file individually and then export the file in another format. This is much, much faster. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.